there, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and broker of Maiga Homes. If you're new here and interested in all things real estate, be sure to hit the subscribe button by clicking that little icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video. I publish videos on a new real estate topic every week, and you don't want to miss anything. Now today, I'm going to be discussing one of the most popular communities available in Canton, Michigan, Westridge Estates of Canton. Westridge Estates of Canton is a Toll Brothers luxury community that was first developed in 2015 with 3 different phases. Phases 1 and 2 are fully completed as of September 2021, and Phase 3 still has roughly 17 lots available for purchase. After all the homes are completed, the subdivision will have approximately 300 homes. There are a total of 8 different floor plans that have been available to choose from, 7 of which are 2-story colonial styles, except the Palmerton, which has a first floor master. The smallest floor plan is the Ellsworth 2, which starts at 2,723 square foot, and the largest floor plan available was the Harding, which started at 3,650 square foot before structural changes. However, since many homeowners have opted to make structural changes, there are homes completed that range from 4,000 to 6,000 square feet within Westridge Estates of Canton. It is important to note that not all of the original floor plans are available to purchase today due to lot restrictions and demand, so only 4 of the most popular floor plans are available. Some of the most requested structural options that were available or chosen that make this community highly desirable are as follows: a sunroom, first floor guest suite with several options or locations available, a solarium, mudroom, a second floor laundry, a private den, expanded great rooms, an upstairs loft, prep kitchen, a playroom upstairs, a 5th bedroom option, and so much more. In addition, Westridge Estates of Canton boasts several amenities that are sure to interest anyone. First of all, Plymouth Canton Community Schools. It's located right off of Canton's Ford Road, but nestled far enough back that you're not disturbed by the road noise. You have easy, convenient access to all the restaurants and businesses located on Canton's Ford Road. This also means that Westridge Estates of Canton is also close to the delightful and charming Cherry Hill Village. This community wrote the book on resort-style luxury. The clubhouse contains a fitness center, kitchenette, game room, and locker room. Plus, the area surrounding the clubhouse has a pool, kiddie pool, playscape, and sand volleyball court. Not to mention tons of walking paths all around the community for a real nature feel. As of September 2021, pricing for a pre-existing home in Westridge Estates of Canton starts at $650,000 up to over $850,000. If you're looking to build a new home on one of the remaining lots, base pricing starts at $760,000 for the smallest floor plan and up to $853,000 for the largest one. In fact, there are several homes that have closed north of $1 million in this subdivision. With that being said, hopefully I've whetted your appetite for enough information on this great community. So whether you're looking to buy an existing home or build a new one, Westridge Estates of Canton is an excellent community that you should consider when looking for your new home. And if you've chosen a realtor to represent you on your home purchase, they should be able to help you weigh out the pros and cons of all the areas you're considering and whether this community is the right fit for you. Now, before I end today's video, I would like to encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and review my other available series on relocation, selling a home, buying a home, new construction, downsizing, buying and selling simultaneously, and more. Plus, if you're considering new construction, I want to remind you to bring your realtor with you even when you visit a new construction site, as it's important to have an experienced representative on your side. Feel free to learn more about this in another video, What Can a Buyer's Agent Do for Me When Building New Construction? Plus, the builder will pay your buyer's agent's fee, so it's a win-win for everyone. Well, I hope that I've given you a lot to think about and that you've learned a ton from today's episode. As always, if you think you may want to make a move in the next year, or you might want to downsize, give me a call and set up a consultation today. I create custom moving plans for all of my clients up to a year in advance. And don't worry, if I'm not able to personally assist you, I am well connected, and I can refer you to a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. In fact, if you haven't yet had a chance, please check out another one of my videos on why you should get a realtor referral for an agent when relocating. This will teach you about how realtor-to-realtor referrals work and what to expect when you ask me for one. Be sure to tune in to next week's episode, How to Calculate Property Taxes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.